Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw a cute flounder from The Little Mermaid. You'll need a pencil or a marker to draw with, whatever you feel comfortable with. All right, let's get started. To begin, we're going to start in the middle of the page and we're going to make a C shape with a really long bottom. Starting from here, making our way down and stop. Next, we're going to make one of Flounder's fins, and that's a U shape, going a little bit inward on the right-hand side. Then we're going to close it off by making a slight U. There we go. Let's finish Flounder's body by going upward, but I'm not going up all the way. I'm going up, and I'm stopping right here. So next we're going to go on the other side and we're going to make the top of Flounder's head, making another slight C right here. Next we're going to make Flounder's hair. We're going to go a little bit below and then we're going to make our way up. So we'll go a little below and then make your way up. I'm going to give him a little mohawk in just a second. First, we're going to finish making the rest of his body just so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so we're going to start from the bottom of his hair and then we're going to make it down to the bottom of his body and a curved line connecting. Awesome. All right, let's finish that mohawk. So we're going to make a sharp line going a little halfway parallel to that first line. Then we're going to kind of make a rectangle shape. So you're going to go straight up, you go a little bit to the side, and then we're going to go straight down on an angle. Then you're going to go a V shape up. And then we're going to make our way curved, going midway down his body and connecting there. Let's make a upside down J or a really long N with a tail. So we're going to start from here, make our way up and down. See? And then we're going to connect the line from its body to the tail. Flounder's body's almost done. We're going to make one more fin on the bottom, make a U. And boop. There you go. Touch up that line a little bit. Okay, let's make Flounder's eyes so that he can see. I'm going to make a big oval shape. And then another big oval shape right over here. Now I'm going to do, oh, a little shaky right there. Okay, we're going to make a tiny little circle on the inside of his eye on the top. This is to show light glare. And then another tiny little circle on the bottom. And do the same thing to the other side. And another tiny one right there. Okay, I'm going to quickly color this in just so our eyes look like they're really popping. You can pause the video or you can continue. Let's get a few more details. So I'm going to make a tiny little eyebrow on the top right here. Another tiny eyebrow. And a cute little smile right underneath his eyes here. Awesome. All right, let's make some of his details on his body. So I'm going to make a U shape right here and then another U shape going downward, meeting up right there. Next, I'm going to grab a blue color that I plan to use when I'm coloring in. It's kind of like a dark blue, and this is just adding a few more details to Flounder before coloring in. So I'm going to use a darker sky blue, but you can use whatever blue you have at home, making a U shape right here and making another U on the bottom. Then I'm going to add some lowlights to his hair, making a diagonal line going this way, one, and another line right next to it. And then I'm going to make one more in the back, 1 and 2. His tail also has some lowlights, so I'm going to make another kind of U shape or backward C on the bottom right there, and then make another tiny one connecting outward there. Okay, our flounder is done and is ready to get colored in. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today, and you'll share your outcomes with me later on. Let's get ready to color! Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications.